Hello, gentlemen. You're welcome to my channel. Now, COAI setting up for a massive pump. Crepe confirmed next price point. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my channel. A lot of things is happening today in the crypto market, and I believe you should be taking a glance at this opportunity playing out before our eyes. Though the market right now is not looking so good because we have a lot of crypto dumping, especially Bitcoin. You know, breaking down from from that 110 price point that we all called out yesterday, and it's dumping right now, going into, in fact, it touched $105 today. Of course, other crypto also following Bitcoin to dump as well. But before we go into all this, I just want to ask you, those of you watching my channel for the first time, like, support. Of course, those of you also who are from the household of faith, the crypto Christian community, like, support, follow my channel for more updates, and of course, to talk about some of those prophetic coins as well. Now, today being Monday, the 3rd of November, we're seeing a lot of stuff going on, but the general condition of this market is playing out before our eyes. Now, we're also seeing fear and greed index sitting at 36, of course, quite a bit neutral. Then we see crypto RSI, relative strength index for crypto, sitting at that oversold area. Brothers and sisters, oversold. What's that telling us? It's telling us that any moment for now, the market can flip on again and everything could be pumping up, because once we just see that, is an indicator that hello, the markets won't stay here for long. That's the day that a lot of things could flip on the market just like that. So those of you who are worried, see a lot of message that the market is dumping, you're losing your investments, and don't worry. If you sold your crypto, then you're at a loss. If you've not sold, then you're not at loss. Of course, this is not a financial advice, so you should also understand it. So I just want to point your attention first thing here to COAI, COAI coin, one of the prophetic coin called up from one of our men of God, of course. And of course, since this coin came out, okay, since we all realize it, we've seen that it dropped almost 80%, 90% from its all-time high. So what are we going to see for COAI? That is for Chain Opera AI. We're seeing right now that the market for this crypto is not really good. Well, I just want to show you something. I share my screen here. I just want to show you this, what is happening to this crypto, why I believe that this price is going to be, this point, this crypto is setting out. Let me just show you the chart quickly. Just share my screen here. Now, this is coin market cap. You can look at some of the charts for this crypto. Now, COAI today, the 3rd of November, this the hourly candle, this 1 hour time frame. Now we can see what they did right here between 1 hour. COAI pumped, from $1.13. Yeah, $1.13. It went all the way up to $1.60, doing almost 40% pump right there. And before it went back again, in fact, it went all the way to 170. I was thinking that was, it's beginning to pump high. Now, believe me, this crypto, this today alone, it's dumped almost 20%. Okay, sorry. Yeah, from yesterday, 20%. Today it did also 10% dump. So what are we seeing for COAI? Now you can see trade volume is quite high. You can see right here at the left-hand corner, you can see that it has the trade volume is high. It's enormous. Almost 140%, the volume coming in is quite great. Now, and of course, sitting at a market cap of over 211 million. But of course, we can see the trade for this crypto is there. I mean, the volume is coming in. That's to tell you something that, of course, this crypto right here has the opportunity. This is a sleeping giant, ladies and gentlemen. This crypto being prophesied from one of our very own man of God. He talked about it, that this could be the crypto to really bring in maybe that short-term, profit. You can turn $100 investment into 1,000 with this token when it's fully pumped back up. So look at what it did between a time frame of 1 hour. So I believe when the entire crypto market flipped green, this crypto right here wouldn't be sleeping. You see, it will pump, ladies and gentlemen. If you look at on the weekly candle here, look at the weekly candle. Now you could see what happened to this crypto. You could see, let me just pull out a bit. Now, if you see right here, look at where it came all the way from. Look at where it came all the way from. That is between October and now. You see where it came all the way from. You see, from if you go down there, it's almost 47 dollar all the way down here to what we are seeing right now. So what am I saying? This crypto has the opportunity to, once it's come back up again, to bring a lot of people that huge amount of profit. We can see immediately 20s, 30s, 40s from this crypto alone. So that's why I believe we are setting up now. The crypto RSI is telling us that, of course, that we're seeing right now, we're in that oversold area, and of course, things can flip any moment from now. Things could flip for this crypto, and of course, you also want to, let me show you something. Yeah, if you look here as well, let me see. If you look here as well, you can see this crypto bubble. You can see COAI here on the 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. It's already down for 24.5%. And of course, it's one of the crypto here that is red. Okay, it's one of the crypto here that's red. Let me just take this a little bit away. You can see other cryptos flipping, starting to flip a little bit green. Of course, this is not part of the 100. I mean, the first 100 crypto. This is between 101 to the 201 to 200 crypto. You could see what is happening here. COAI 24.5% lost, still down. We have some other crypto as well. The more reddish it is, the more they drop. And of course, those ones green, that means we're beginning to see things flipping up for COAI. So that's what I want to put your attention to for those of you, especially those of you in our Christian crypto community, that you bought COAI and you're wondering, what is happening to my investment? Am I losing my money? What's happening right now? What should I be doing? Please, 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 and please. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but I believe this is a time that you ought to be doing what we call DCA, dollar cost average. That means what? You are, the more it dips, the more you are accumulating. Someone is saying, I'm waiting for it to reach 0.5. Are you sure that this is going to drop below $1? I don't think so. I myself, I bought some, couple of COAI today. So I'm also expecting, it to continue to rise, because I know it's marking, we're marking that level of support right now for COAI. And I think it is not below $1.12. So that's for COAI. I just want to also drop your attention, ladies and gentlemen, to to Crepe, I'm seeing Crepe also following that wave, you know. For the chart of Crepe is not doing much right now, but what I'm seeing also as well for Crepe, we have a support level for that 4035 for Crepe. Now, if you look at Crepe, you understand something that Crepe is the price, the support level for Crepe is that $4 4035. So if it breaks below that 4035, then we could be going further down to 0.02. So once it gets to that level, I think a lot of you crypto analysts will agree with me that, of course, that is the next support level. And if you get to that level, of course, we need to find that will be the new support. And once it breaks that level, then we're going further down. Of course, from what I see right now, the support at 4035, it's holding Crepe in position. So of course, are we going to see the market flipping around for Crepe? So once it's flip around, ladies and gentlemen, we are running over that 405 as quickly as possible. It will be shooting up. So you shouldn't wait. So the next price point, as we confirm the support at 4035, would be for we'll be looking at 405.40 that those 2 points will be where we'll head for next for Crepe, because I believe the price is getting ready to shoot up, because there's a massive green candle at that 0.4030 at 4035. So we are seeing a massive green candle forming already for Crepe. So are we expecting the entire market turning green within now and tomorrow? I would say yes, it could happen if all the market sentiments remain the same. We can see the markets turning green as soon as tomorrow. But of course, if those support levels are broken, even for Bitcoin as well, if Bitcoin break that 105 support, it's going down. The next support level will be at 98,000. So let's see what's going to happen. So if it breaks that 98,000, then we can go further down. But I think right now we're in that oversold area. I believe the market will flip green as soon as tomorrow. So of course, we're just here to study the chart and understand the market. Do your own research. Don't invest anything that you cannot afford to live. Of course, for those of you who are new in crypto, especially our brothers and sisters from the Christian crypto community, you want to know more about setting up your wallet, about your portfolio, about navigating the market, join my crypto channel premium membership. Subscribe to my crypto channel, this YouTube channel that you're seeing right now. Subscribe below, hit that join button, join me on our Telegram channel. I'll be releasing more video. The strategic video that I'll be releasing, of course, for those of you who are planning to set up your wallet, to buy and put crypto to your wallet, something like that will help you to grow your portfolio and of course to prepare for this bull run. So if you enjoy the value that you get from this channel, please hit that like button, join me, subscribe to my channel, premium membership, and of course see you on the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day and God bless you. Bye-bye.